Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Sygic and Google Maps. So if you don't know what Sygic is, it is basically Google Maps, but it is available offline. So as you can see here in the video, it is available offline and it's very detailed. So the pros of Sygic is that it has full offline maps, great for areas with low or poor connectivity, like remote areas like mountain ranges or outdoors. It also has advanced features, that includes lane guidance, speed limit warnings, and dashcam integration. It also has customizable routes that offers more control over route planning. Now the cons of Sygic is that it has many premium features locked behind a paywall. So, it includes offline maps, real-time traffic, and a lot more. So, to get that feature, you must have a payment first before you can use them. Another one is it has less extensive POIs. So for example, unlike Google Maps, which is a lot of POIs, POI stands for points of interest. So it has less than Google Maps does. So it also has a poor performance issues on certain devices. So some users reported that it performs poorly on some other devices that they're using. Now let's go over to Google Maps. So if you don't know already, Google Maps is the maps that Google uses. So there's a satellite for that. Now for the pros of Google Maps is that it is free and is comprehensive and it requires no subscription. Another one is that it has real-time updates, live traffic updates, and crowdsourced information. And furthermore, unlike Sygic, it has extensive POIs and many points of interests and is fully free. Now the cons of Google Maps is that it has limited offline capability. Unlike Sygic, it has offline support. However, you need to download the map in advance for it to work. And it is also data dependent and requires an internet connection for it to fully function, especially for real-time features. Now you should choose Sygic if you need offline navigation with advanced driving features and are willing to pay a premium for the experience. You should choose Google Maps if you prefer a free, reliable solution with real-time updates and extensive local information, especially for everyday use and navigation in well-connected areas. And that is it. That is the difference between Sygic and Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.